Are you tired of starting at the same old Windows logo every time you turn on your PC? In this video, I'm going to show you how to fully customize your startup experience by changing Windows 10 or 11 logo. So we are doing it safely step by step with the help of GitHub, and you can set up your PC with a cool logo like gaming brand or the personal logo. So let's get started. First of all, you need to check some settings on your system. Simply open the system information, and BIOS mode should be UEFI, and you can disable the secure boot as well. But if you can't disable the secure boot, then we have the options to enroll the logo into the hash. So I will show you that as well. Now next step is you need to have the knowledge of what is the screen resolution on your Windows. As you can see, 920 is full HD. If we have lower than that, check accordingly. We need to create the logo accordingly. Now close this, open MS Paint, and once you open it, you need to click on this option which says resize. Go to pixel, resize this logo, and now change the size according to your display here. I will do it 1920 to 1080. Horizontal should be 1920, vertical is 1080. And now press the OK key. Now you can resize it to this one. Now fill your space with the black. So this is fill black. Now it's black. Now you need to open your logo. Go to file, then look for the import to canvas from file. And for this video I have created this logo. Just open this, and this is the logo which I have created here. So you can change its size as well. So now again click on this logo which you have created, and you can resize it with the help of this option, and now change it to 400. So that is up to you, and drag it into the center here. Now once you created your logo like this, go to file, save as, and BMP. Save it to BMP picture only, and name it to splash, SPLASH, and save it. You can close this now. So now this will be my logo here. So we can close this now. Now open a GitHub page, open any browser, and type here HackBGRT, and go to first link here and choose the latest version here, the zip version. I will link this into my description box directly. You can copy and paste here. So this is the unzip one. Double click on this to open, and now inside this, so the original logo of the BGMRT. So this logo is their default one. We can change it with the help of our one. How? Let me show you. Just copy, just close this, and paste your own custom one into this directory. Replace it, and now cross check it to open it. So now this is your one. We can close this now. and run this setup. Right click it, run as admin, hit yes option when the prompt opens, press here I key to install it. Now this one is good, we can close this. Now you can press here Y key to reboot your system. So I'm going to disable the secure boot as normal one is not working on my system. So guys, I just troubleshoot this issue since my boot was not working as properly. I go to the boot configuration, then OS boot manager. As you can see here, this is on the second priority. Choose this HackBGRT on the priority, change its value to F6 or F5. So in my system it will be F6. As you can see, it is on the top now, and I can save the changes with F10. And you can see here we have successfully achieved the correct logo on my system. So let me show you how I fix the issue. I just go to this read about more articles here and read me, and then see the troubleshooting steps here. In some cases you may have to disable the antivirus before you install it, but anyhow we have successfully boot our system with the custom logo which I just created. If you can't disable the secure boot, then you should be able to get this pop-up. Just click on enter button here and press ending key. Now click on the option which says enroll hash from this disk. The last option, enroll hash from the disk. Press enter. So choose your SSD here, the SATA one. It should be automatically selected, but make sure you select the correct one. Then press enter. Choose the UEFI again and choose the third option, which is this one, HackBGRT. And from this menu, this is the option HackBGRT. Select this option and press enter on your keyboard. Now choose the option which says grub UEFI, this option, the second last option. Then press enter, then click on continue, press yes with the down arrow key, press enter, and press here reboot. Enter the machine. Now again system should be booted. So system should be booted without any issues if you can't disable the secure boot. So this is how guys you can create our own custom logo, and I hope this video helps you. If yes, then hit like, subscribe and share. Thank you. Thanks for watching.